I've got a question. What do tires, tigers, and Scott Van Pelt have in common? Well, it turns out more than you think.
This video is sponsored by Hunter Engineering. Visit hunter.com for more information.
See, in March, Hankook Tire invited me to the first TGL Finals match at the SoFi Center in Palm Beach Gardens, and okay, well, let me put it to you this way. I'm not a golfer. I don't watch golf. The only golfer I know is Tiger Woods, and I had an absolute blast here. That's him, by the way. He's the tiger from the intro, not a big cat. I got you good. So you've got Tiger Woods and the rest of his Jupiter Links Golf Club competing in a best-of-3 Champions Series. You've got ESPN broadcasting it. There's Scott Van Pelt, although I didn't hear him say a word in the building, but he was there. And then you've got Hankook Tire as the exclusive tire partner of a league that presents itself kind of more like a showcase of futuristic sport technology over, the traditional golf clap sport we're all used to. Now, if you aren't familiar with TGL yet, I can't blame you. They just wrapped their second ever season. It stands for Tomorrow's Golf League, and it's a super technology-infused 3-on-3 indoor golf league founded by Tiger Woods, Rory McIlroy, and Mike McCarley in a partnership with the PGA Tour. It's designed to offer a fast-paced, primetime romp, and the matches are even only 15 holes, so they can fit it into a 2-hour time slot. So basically, they start here and hit the ball at that stupid big golf simulator, and then they move over to this insane, rotating, land-shifting disc over here to putt. Hey, check it out, it's Hankook. That's right, you're here for tires, not golf. Look, it's the structure around the match and the league and the crowds and just everything that surrounds it that makes everything here click. And that's where Hankook fits into this. Their marketing team told me that they want to be associated with technology that feels advanced. It's measurable, it's futuristic. There's nothing else in the world that feels like this sport with the technology right here on display. Sitting here, I got the feeling that was very intentional. The entire experience is built around turning the performance of these A-list athletes into something you can see and understand instantly. It even got me, who is not a golf guy, to enjoy and really appreciate what was happening. It works so well because everything in that building is controlled, whether it's for the sport or the people sitting there watching the sport. The lighting, the upbeat music, the camera positions, the digital overlays, it's all consistent doing what it's supposed to do to make sure everyone is having a good time. From a marketing standpoint, that means Hankook knows exactly how its brand is going to appear every time a match is played and broadcast, and it's going to appear in an environment that hosts some of the coolest technology you have ever seen in your life. And look at this little Star Wars droid camera boy. That's a good boy. Everything here is just cool. Now remember, the TGL is flashy and cool, but it runs and works because of data. Every shot is measured and displayed, and Hankook wants the story of its tires to come across the same way. Grip, wear, rolling resistance, traction, those are all measurable attributes that tire dealers can present when they talk to customers about their products. Those are all attributes that I have personally discussed on video more than a few times for Hankook over the years. For tire dealers, this isn't really about golf. It's about where brand perception is being built. The audience TGL is targeting is used to a fast, data-driven performance, and it's the same customers who are walking into your store. What tire manufacturer wouldn't want to be aligned with that? Tires, Tiger Woods, and Scott Van Pelt all end up in the same place because TGL is built as a platform where sports, media, and technology are fully integrated. And Hankook, very intentionally, has put its brand front and center within that system. That's smart marketing. So guys, that's all I have for today. I know I had a blast, and if you want more like this, you can subscribe for free at tirereview.com/subscribe. Thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and take care.